Okay, now look at here. Okay, so write write the degree of each of the following. Write the degree of each of the following. Write the degree of each of the following. Okay. Question number 1, 5x cube 5x cube plus 4x square plus 7x. Okay, number 1. Don't write together. Write together. Number 2, 4 minus y square. 4 minus y square. Third one, 5t minus root of 7. Fourth one, 8. Okay. Fifth one, 0x square plus 0x plus 0. Okay, listen here all. Now listen. The degree. Look. First degree what? Highest power is 3. What is degree here? 2. Here degree what? 5t minus root 7. What degree? It is degree what? 1. Because t raised to 1. 8. What the degree? 8 degree what? 0. It's a constant polynomial. What the degree here? 0x square plus 0x plus 0. What the degree? 0x square plus. That means those who are listen. Last class I explained this one. It's not defined. Pranav, I gave the note last class. No, degree of a 0 polynomial is not defined. Okay, 0x square plus 0x plus 0. That is not degree, not defined. Not defined. Okay, write all now. Okay, fourth answer. 8. Degree of a constant polynomial is what? Degree of a constant polynomial is what? 0. That means what? Degree of 8 is 0. Here degree what? All terms are 0. That means not defined. Clear now? Third one, 5t minus root 7. 5t, degree what? 1. Here degree 0. So degree 1. Clear now? You should learn that one. Degree of a, listen, degree of a constant polynomial is 0. Okay, degree of root 5 only. What is the degree? Degree of root 5 what? 0. Because it's a constant polynomial. Not 1, Dinesh. Others. Last class, I gave the note. What is saying 0 polynomial? Others. What is saying 0 polynomial? Okay. So I clearly said now, in a polynomial, all the terms are zero. It is called a zero polynomials. Degree of a zero polynomial is not defined. Okay, clear now? Anyone new today, a new student, those not attended? Sad, what are you asking? We are discussing about polynomial. What are you talking about this one? I didn't say anything about tomorrow cases. Okay, tomorrow there will be class, that not for you. Okay, it is those who late join guys, not for you. Okay, and you have class on only DPS guys compulsory to attend Friday morning 6 a.m. I'll post in group. Okay. Okay. So now discussion now here. So now you understand how to find the degree and which is the coefficients and all. Okay. Now look at here. Okay. Now you know which is the monomial, binomial, trinomials and all. You know, right? Okay. Write the question now. Find the value of right. Find the value of. Write the question. Find the value of the polynomial. Find the value of the polynomial. Find the value of the polynomial. Find the value of the polynomial 5x minus 4x square plus 3. 5x minus 4x square plus 3 at 1. X equal to 0. 2. X equal to 1. 3. X equal to minus 1. 4. X equal to 2. 5. X equal to minus 2. I'll show this one. Look at here. Don't write now. The first question I'll show you. Look at here. Look. The polynomial, this is polynomial. You can say P of X. Last class we discussed P of X, G of X and all. You remember now, right? Okay. Now P of X equal to 5x minus 4x square plus 3. You have to find the value x equal to 0, x equal to minus 1, x equal to x equal to 1, x equal to minus 1, x equal to 2, and x equal to minus 2. So we'll done right now. First of all, question number 1, P of 0. This is 0. 0 minus 4, 0 plus 3. That means answer is 3. It just run out. Don't type. Listen here on. Okay, just x equal to 0, 0 minus 0 plus 3. Okay, then 2, x equal to minus 1, P of minus 1, 5 into minus 1 minus 4 into minus 1 square plus 3. That is minus 5 minus 4 into 1 plus 3. Minus 5 minus 4 plus 3. So minus 9 plus 3 equal to minus 6. Okay, then next one, P of, oh, I did this one first. This is third one. Okay. Then second one, P of 1, 5 minus 4 plus 3. 8 minus 4 equal to 4. Okay, right up to here. So you find out P of, you find out x equal to 0, x equal to 1, x equal to minus 2. Right now. This Lohida, why always you're on the video? Lohida. Hello. Lohida action. What mistake? What? You're playing with the video? Don't sit. You wait outside, okay? Finish or not? P of 0, we got 3. P of -1, we got -6. P of 1 equal to 4. Clear now? Okay, I'll wait. I'll wait. P of -1. P of -1 here, look. 5 into -1 minus 4 into -1 square plus 3. 5 into -1 minus 5. -1 square is 1. 3. -5 -4 plus 3. Okay. Fifth one. No, I didn't. I told you what. I told you what. Do 1, 2, 3 only. Why you start fifth one? Okay. Now fourth one. Look at here. Fourth one. P of 2. 5 into 2 minus 4 into 2 square plus 3. 10 minus 4 into 4 plus 3. 10 minus 16 plus 3. 13 minus 16 equal to minus 3. You got or not? Dhruv, how many times I told you? Last class you are sitting outside, right? Again you going. Okay, I'm moving from you today. Today you cannot join now. Dhruv. What? Sorry, no. You cannot join today. You can come to next class now. Okay, go now. I removed. Okay, you can go. Next class you can join it. Okay, go and sleep. Okay, so listen here. Anyone on the video, immediately I drop your name. The next class, once removed from the system, today cannot join it. Next class only can join. Okay. So next one, look at here. X equal to -2. P of -2 equal to 5 into -2, 4 into -2 square plus 3, minus 10 minus 4 into 4 plus 3, minus 10 minus 16 plus 3 minus 26 plus 3 equal to minus 23. Right. Right first. It's okay now? Okay. So clear now. So next question, listen here. Are you okay now? You want to explain again? Anyone want to explain? Hello. Okay. Now look at here. Listen. I just once again I tell you. Look at here regarding the class. Tomorrow, this 6 a.m. till 7:45 a.m. Okay, this is only extra class who all missed the first classes. Not compulsory for all. Okay, clear now? Those who join late. Okay, then Monday you refer number system chapter. I'll do the revision for number system Monday. Okay. Then not Monday, Wednesday. Then Thursday test is based on number system, full reader, everything, our notebook. Okay. Friday morning 6 a.m. Same 6 a.m. 6 a.m. till 8. There is no class now. You have revision number system. This is BPS students only. If you want, others can join, no issue. Okay. Okay. So now clear now. Everyone clear, right? Okay. So, right, next question. Find P of 0, P of 1, P of 2, P of 3, P of minus 1, P of minus 2. Okay. P of y equal to y square minus y plus 1. P of y equal to y square minus y plus 1. Y square minus y plus 1. Okay, try now. The question is, look at here. Okay, others, how it got disconnected? Which net you're using? Rohit, which net you're using? Zain, no, sure, I don't, okay. Look, Rohit, who is Rohit? So why on the, hello, Rohit, who is Rohit? Come on. Okay, look at here. So look at here, those who missed this part. You have to find out. It's very simple. Look at here, others. You have to find P of 0, P of 1, P of 2, P of 3, P of minus 1, P of minus 2. Listen here. First, P of 0. It just replace y 0 square minus 0 plus 1. Answer what? 1. Finish. Simple. Anybody can do it. Then P of 1. 1 square minus 1 plus 1. Minus 1 plus 1. Cancel. Answer is 1. Then P of 2. 2 square minus 2 plus 1 equal to 4 minus 2 plus 1. That is 4 plus 5 minus 2, 3. This is the way. Now, okay, you can do it. Okay, try now. Wait. Why late you want? Here already 5:30. There is a match. I can make it maybe 6:30, no problem. Up to you, if all agree. Now, Priyansh, my plan is, if any pending on number system to finish it, maybe I'll take 2.5, like that, to complete all. So better keep it 6 o'clock. What other class? Okay, so it is, Ayush, you have class on Friday? Then what is the problem? So we'll keep it 6 o'clock, okay? I'll post according, follow accordingly then. Okay. Okay, now look at here. This one now. P of 2 finish. Now P of 3. P of 3, it is y square minus y plus 1. Okay, P of 3 equal to 3 square minus 3 plus 1. 9 minus 3 plus 1. 10 minus 3 equal to 7. Correct or no? 3 square minus 3 plus 1. P of 3 equal to 7. Now, P of minus 1 minus 1 square minus of minus 1 plus 1. Keep in bracket. 1 plus 1 plus 1 equal to 3. Right? Are you getting it now? Okay. Next, P of minus 2 equal to minus 2 square minus of minus 2 plus 1. That is 4 plus 2 plus 1. Answer what? 7. Okay, finish all right. Okay. Four plus, okay, that is okay. I didn't do that, no. Minus 2, 4 plus, minus 2, no, this is my 4 plus 2 plus 1. Okay. So next question, right. All same only, look at here. This all same, okay. You find P of x equal to x cube. P of x equal to x cube. P of x equal to x cube. You find P of 0, P of 1, P of 2, P of 3, P of minus 1, P of minus 2. Do first. Try yourself. Okay, find first. Okay. Finish all. Okay, first one, P of 0, 0. P of 1, 1. P of 2, 2 cube, 8. P of 3, 3 cube, 27. P of minus 1, minus 1 cube, minus 1. P of minus 2 equal to minus 8. Right? Finish now? Okay. Everyone okay now, right? So next one, right? Same thing. You write. Look at here. P of t equal to 2 plus t plus 2t square minus t cube. 2 plus t plus 2t square minus t cube. Okay. No, wait. Let's finish on. I'll wait. Okay. Here, listen. P of 0, 2 plus 0 plus 0 minus 0. So that means 2. You got it or not? First part is clear now, right? First part is clear, everyone, right? Okay. Second part, P of 1, 2 plus 1 plus 2 minus 1. Because 1 square is 1, 1 cube is 1. So 3, 5 minus 1. 5 minus 1 is 4. Okay, clear now? Then next one, P of 2. P of 2. 2 plus 2 plus 2 into 2 square minus 2 cube. So 2 plus 2 plus 2 square 4 into 2, 8 minus 8. Correct? 8 cancel. Again answer is 4. Again answer is 4. Then P of minus 1. 2 plus minus 1 plus 2 into minus 1 square minus 1 whole cube. 2 minus 1 plus 2 minus 1 cube is minus 1 plus 1. Answer is 5, 4, 5 and 4. Again answer is 4. Yes, 4. So next one is P of minus 2. Oh, I forgot something to do. P of 3. Ah, okay. P of 3 time, no problem. P of P of minus 2. Okay, P of minus 2, it is, listen, 2 plus t plus 2t square minus 2q. P of minus 2, 2 plus minus 2 plus 2 into minus 2 square minus 2, 2 minus 2 cube. So 2 plus minus 2 plus 2 square 4 into 8 minus of 8 minus 8. So you'll get what? 0? It is 0? Yes. Okay. Should be 16. Okay, correct it now. Yeah, okay, correct. Yeah, correct. Minus become plus 16. Correct, you're right. Okay. So try next question. P of x equal to, right? P of x equal to, oh, I remove all. Okay. P of x equal to, you try. P of x equal to x minus 1 into x plus 1. Right. P of x equal to x minus 1 into x plus 1. X minus 1 into x plus 1. What? Okay, you can apply. Yeah, same question. Same question you have to find out. P of 2, everything same. Try first. Okay, finish. Look, you can write this one x square minus 1. So P of 0 minus 1. P of 1, 1 minus 1, 0. P of minus 1 square minus 1. Again 0. Then P of 2, 2 square minus 1, 4 minus 1, 3. P of 3, 3 square minus 1, 8. Like that. Okay. P of minus 2, minus 2 square minus 1. That is 4 minus 1, 3. Copy first. Okay, finished now, right? So next one. Right. If P of X, next question. If P of X equal to, if P of X equal to if P of X equal to 2x cube minus 13x square plus 17x plus 12, find P of 2, 1, 2, P of 0, 3, P of minus 3. Find first. Okay, try now. Okay, finish. First part is 10. P of 2 is 10. P of 2 is 10. P of 0 is 12. P of minus 3 is minus. Okay, okay, I'll wait. How come the first one? Look at here. P of 2 into 2 cube minus 13 into 2 square plus 17 into 2 plus 12. Okay, 2 into 8 minus 13 into 4 plus 34 plus 12. This answer is 12. Sorry, this answer is 10. The first answer is 10. First answer is 10. 16 minus 52 plus 34 plus 12 equal to 10. Okay. Second answer is 12. Second answer is 12. Third answer, how much you got? Third answer, how much you got? Minus 210. Third answer, minus 210. Okay, clear now up to here, okay or not? Okay, so next question, right? If f of x equal to, right? If f of x equal to, what about third one? Third one, you can do it now. You just apply the values. Why should I do this one? 2 into minus 3 cube minus 13 into minus 3 square plus 17 into minus 3 plus 12. Okay, so those are asking doubt, they have no idea in multiplication. 2 into minus 27, 13 into 9 minus 51 plus 12 minus 54, correct or no? Minus 13 into 9, how much? 13 into 9, how much? 117, 117 minus 51. Okay, plus 12. Answer what? Minus 210. Why asking such a multiplication, division, and all? Okay, so next question. Listen here. P of x equal to 3x plus 5. Find P of 7 minus P of 5. P of x equal to 3x plus 5. Find P of 7 minus P of 5. Okay, try now. Okay, wait. Let us see. Okay, look at here. Answer is 6. Look, P of 7, 3 into 7 plus 5. How much? 21 plus 5, 26. P of 5, 3 into 5 plus 5 equal to 20. So therefore, P of 7 minus P of 5 equal to 6. Okay, clear all? The final answer is 6. Okay, now I'll give you 3 questions together. You have to show. Okay, 3 questions together. Okay. Then this type of question is over now. Okay, look at here. P of x equal to x raised to 4 minus 4x cube minus 2x plus 1. Find whether P of 0 into P of minus 1 equal to P of 2. This is question number 1. Question number 2, P of x equal to x raised to 3 x cube minus 3x square plus 3x minus 4. Find P of 2 plus P of minus 2 plus P of 0. Okay, last one, third one. P of x equal to 5x square minus 4x plus 5. Find P of 1 plus P of minus 1 plus P of 0. Okay, try this one. Neatly write all. Okay. The first question, P of x equal to x raised to 4 plus 4x cube minus 2x plus 1. Prove that. You find P of 0. You find P of minus 1. Multiply. Then you find that P of 2, whether it's matching or not. That's only. Okay, try now. Clear the question. You find P of 0, P of minus 1, multiply and keep it with you. Then P of 2. Then check whether matching or not. That's only. If not matching, you write not equal to, like that. Second one, first you try, first one you finish, then only second one now. Second last term P of 0, it is minus 4, x cube minus 3x square plus 3x minus 4. Find P of 2 plus P of minus 2 plus P of 0. Third one, P of x equal to 5x square minus 4x plus 5, P of 1 plus P of minus 1 plus P of 0. Okay, try one by one. Okay. Completed all? Nasrin, what are you typing? Nasrin. Hello, Nasrin. What mistake? What? Okay, finish one by one. Then I explain. If not getting for first one, leave it. Second one, leave it. Third one, try like that. Then when I show, you can do it. Okay. First you wait. Okay, okay, wait. Let's finish all. Vermit, what are you typing? You are not doing the question. What mistake? What? Yeah, you should work out with you finish the work or not? No, you finish. You finish your work or not? Yes or no? Okay. Okay. Okay, now look at here. What are you asking, Amir Khan? What is asking? Which is the board right now? What's the meaning? What is the question that? Amir, the first sum in the board is right now. When you came just now? Hello? Why? You just, we started at 2 o'clock. You join at 3:30, then asking me a question? No, my question. We started at 2 o'clock, right? So then at 3:30, one guy joined and asking me, what is this one? the movie is going to finish. Okay, then last one guy without ticket, he joined and asking what the name of the movie, like. Okay, come on, this is a Telugu movie going on. Look at here, the first one. Look at here. The first one, you find P of 0. P of 0 is 1. P of minus 1 equal to minus 1 raised to 4. 4 into minus 1 cube, 2 into minus 1 plus 1. Okay, that is 1 minus 4, no, plus 4 plus 2 plus 1 equal to what? 8. Correct or no? 5. Okay. Then P of 2 equal to 2 raised to 4, 4 into 2 cube minus 2 into 2 plus 1. 16 minus 2 cube, 8, 32, right? No. Yeah, 32 minus 4 plus 1. What is this one? Minus 19. Okay. Sure, now minus 19. Okay. Now look at here. P of 0 into P of minus 1 equal to what? 1 into 8. So that is 8. So that means 8 not equal to minus 19. So we write what? P of 0 into P of minus 1 not equal to P of 2. We all got this. Okay. Look. So first one is finished. Now, second one. Clear now? First one is clear or not? Hello? First one clear or not? Okay. So, second, next is, look at here. P of x equal to x cube minus, sorry, plus 3, no, x cube minus 3x square plus 3x plus 4. Minus 4, okay. Minus 4. Once again, x cube minus 3x square plus 3x minus 4. You have to find out f of P of 2 plus P of minus 2 plus P of 0. Okay. Then you find first P of 2. How much? 2 cube minus 3 into 2 square plus 3 into 2 minus 4. 8 minus 4, 12 plus 6 minus 4. How much this? How much? Minus 2. Okay. Sure, I'm not checking that. Is correct or no? Okay, minus 2. Then P of minus 2, what you got? I'm not writing. P of minus 2, how much? 6. P of minus 2, you got minus 30, right? Okay. Then P of 0, minus 4. Okay, the final answer is minus 36. Final answer is minus 36. Correct it now. Final answer is minus 36. Okay. Next one is, yes, next one is 25. Next one is 25. Okay. So now look at here. So listen here. Now this is finished now. Just introduction. Just listen. Don't write anything. Just listen. Close the book. Close the book. Okay. Just introduction. Next. We'll continue this one Saturday only. This part. Okay. Because Wednesday we won't do this one. Wednesday we'll do the number system revisions. Okay. Just listen. Third answer only said 25. Look at here. P of x equal to x plus 3. Okay. Don't write anything. Just close the book and sit here. P of x equal to x plus 3. P of 0 equal to 0 plus 3 equal to 3. Right? Then don't write P of 1 equal to 1 plus 3 equal to 4. P of minus 1 plus 3 equal to 2. P of minus 2 plus 3 equal to 1. P of minus 3 equal to minus 3 plus 3 equal to 0, right? So that means when we substitute, listen, when we substitute x equal to minus 3, we got 0. Therefore, minus 3 is called 0 of the polynomial. What? 0 of the polynomial. What do you call? Minus 3 is called 0 of this polynomial. Look, 0. 0 is 0. When you substitute 0 equal to 3, that means 0 is not a 0 of this polynomial. What? 0 is not a 0 of this polynomial. You understood now? Which value you replace when get the 0, that is called 0 of the polynomial. If it is, listen, how to find out? 0 is not a 0 of this polynomial. Pranav, 0 is not a 0 of this polynomial. This 0, look, 0 is not a 0 of this polynomial. This one and this one different in this case. 0, this shunya, you usually get the marks now, that one. 0 is not a 0, is that ERO of the 0 of this polynomial. Then what is 0? Minus 3. Why? When you substitute minus 3, we got 0. That's why minus 3 is the 0 of this polynomial. Okay. How to get that? Very simple. X plus 3, listen. Not trial and error method, listen. X plus 3 equal to 0. X equal to what? Minus 3. That's only. No need trial and error method. X plus 3 equal to 0. Then x equal to minus 3. Then, if it is x plus 2, then what is 0? If it is x plus 2, minus 2. If it is x minus 2, what is 0? X minus 2. 2, like that. Okay, write this note in your book. Okay, right. Zeros of a polynomial, right first. Zeros of a polynomial. Zeros of a polynomial. Okay. Zeros of a polynomial. Okay, right. Zero of a polynomial P of x. 0 of a polynomial P of x. 0 of a polynomial P of x is a number. You wrote this one already? It is there? Oh, it is there or no? Hello? This is not only there or not? It is there, then no need write. So no need write this one. Okay. Now then write the question. So then write the question. Okay, write first. Right. Find the 0. Right. Find the 0. Right. Find the 0 of the polynomial. Find the 0 of the polynomial. Find the 0 of the polynomial. Number 1. P of x equal to x minus 5. Number 2. 2x plus 5. Number 3. 2x. Number 4. X plus 1. Number 5. X minus 1. Okay. Try first. First, x minus 5. What is 0? X equal to? How to find out? Very simple. Look. X minus 5 equal to 0. X equal to 5. Then 2x plus 5 equal to 0. 2x equal to minus 5. X equal to minus 5 by 2. Then 2x equal to 0. X equal to 0. Then x plus 1 equal to 0. X equal to minus 1. X minus 1. X equal to 1. Finish. Okay. What are you writing? 5, Andrew? What is 5 here? Minus 5 by 2. Okay. Fifth one, x equal to 1. What you asking, Shaiji? P what? Who that? You today join this one? First one, P of x. This is all P of x only, the name of the polynomial. This is who asked me this one the first? Hey, you first today join? You joined today or not? You joined today or not? Then you say you don't know. When you join, SHAHIG. When you join today or last class? When you join the class today or last class you attended or not? You attended last class or not? Why not answering? I asked you one question. Did you attend last class or not? Okay. Did you copy the note or not? I sent you the note. Did you? Okay. You got the notes or not? I sent you the note, right? Okay. You didn't copy. What I told you before coming next class, you should copy the notes. You study it. You didn't do that one, right? No. Why didn't I write? Then who will write? I'll come and write you. What I told you before coming the next class, you should write and study it. Then only you can understand this class. You're wasting others' time now. What? Today, today we started at 2 o'clock. That time onwards, we are talking about P of X, G of everything. Now, 3:45, 3:46. That time we are asking what is P of X. To avoid this situation only, I gave advance note and video in YouTube. You didn't check that all, right? I know that because I don't want a student asking like this stupid questions. That's why I gave you my full note. You read it before coming the next class and check the video. You did or not? You did or not? Okay, this enough today. Okay.